Good day, pandas. It's not Monday this time, it's Tuesday. I didn't have a chance to do our homework book yesterday, but I'm here today and I'm thinking about you. Our book this week is called Transportation. Whoa, that's a really long word. It starts with a great big capital. Yep, it's a T. Transportation. Transportation is a really long word. It has a lot of letters. Let's find out how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That is a long word with 14 letters. How many letters does your name have? Transportation means all the ways that we travel. And you see right here that our dog friend is traveling in a truck. That's right. Truck, transportation. But a truck is not the only kind of transportation. I went on a train to get here to where I am in England. I'm not in France anymore. I'm in England. And I took a train to get here, and the train went through a tunnel. I wonder if we open the book whether we're going to find a train or a tunnel or a truck or a car or any of the other kinds of transportation that we know. This book belongs to, I'm going to write my name. You can use your big fat pencil. I'm going to use my nice dark marker, and I'm going to count the letters in my name while I write them. This is M from Mordhorst. O, that's number 1, 2. R is 3. D is 4. H is 5. 6 is my O. 7, 8, 9. Mordhorst has 9 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I'll put the Ms. right here. You know, Ms. is not really part of my name. It's just what we call grown-ups, Ms. or Mr. All right, let's see what we're going to learn. Ding! All right, here we are. I am learning about how and why we travel. I wonder if you have done any traveling. Have you gone in the car to Target? That begins with T2. Have you ridden in the car or on a bus to the beach? I wonder. I am learning about land, air, and water vehicles. Look at all the vehicles over here. We're going to look in the next page. The octagon shape. We didn't talk about octagons very much in pre-K. I know you know this shape. Triangle. I know you know this shape. All the sides the same. Square. There's a triangle. Long, long, short, short. Long, long, short, short. That's a rectangle. We all know about a circle. Doesn't have any sides at all. An octagon has 8 sides, like an octopus. And they can be pretty hard to draw. Let me see what happens when I try to draw an octagon. Whoa. I need to have 4 on the top. All right, here I go. I don't think I did a very good job of that, but it's an octagon with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sides. There. And letter sounds E, R, and D. That's strange. Why isn't T on there? T for transportation. That's a lowercase t, and that's an uppercase T. Ding! Here we are on page 3. This is a talking page. This is where you get to talk to your family about traveling. The words say, I like to travel. I'll do that again. I like to travel. Do you like to go places? Do you like to travel? When I came to France and England, I flew in an airplane. Then I took a train to come across the water to England. The train went through a tunnel under the water. I have also been in a bus. I have also been in a car on my trip, but I've not been in a truck, and I've not been in a boat yet. I wonder if I will get to go in a boat or a ship. You talk to your family about how you would like to travel, which vehicle you would like to drive, and don't forget to trace. Practicing your letters helps you stay ready for kindergarten. Like K-E. Did you see that K? It goes into the middle and back out. It goes into the middle and back out. I like to T, R, down, up, and over. A, around, up, and down. V, E is the tricky one, starts in the middle, across, up, and around. L, I like to travel, and here's an exclamation mark, not a question mark. You remember question mark. This isn't a question, this is something you're saying. I like to travel, exclamation mark. Talk about traveling with your family. Ding! I can identify uppercase and lowercase letters. You remember that each letter has two shapes, a big one and a little one, and sometimes they're the same and sometimes they're not. This word says the name of this picture. What is this? It's a bus. Let's read bus. U says S. B is a letter. The letter has a sound. The sound of the letter is b. U has a letter. The letter has a sound. The sound of this letter is And you know S says S. B, S. Yep. B, uppercase B, uppercase U, uppercase S. Do you see how S looks the same? But when you write it in lowercase, B, U, S, the S looks the same every time. The U looks almost the same, but the B looks different. All right. Are you going to color your bus? Are you going to make it a school bus? Maybe. Or maybe you could make it a blue bus like the one I rode on yesterday. I parked the car in a big parking lot, and then a blue bus came to take me to the middle of the city. I rode on that blue bus. You can make your bus yellow or blue. I'm just going to color one part of my bus. I'm going to color the part that goes around the windshield where the driver sits. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. Do you remember riding the school bus? Everybody rode the school bus, I think, when we went on our trip. And some people rode the bus to get to school, and some people rode the bus to get home. You like riding the bus? This is my blue bus. B, boing, boing. My blue bus. You might make a yellow bus. Up to you. That was page 4, and now we're done. Ding. Ooh. I can describe types of transportation. I can describe types of transportation. There we go. Oh, I think this is a matching activity. I need a pencil. See the directions, show me. And it says, match each vehicle to how it travels, over land, in the air, or on water. This is so easy for us, isn't it? But we got to draw our line nice and straight. You get your pencil. I'll use my marker. The first one is a train. A train. Can a train go in the water? Can a train go in the air? Or does the train go on tracks? Yeah, it does. I'll make my line curvy. It's going to come from the train all the way down to the tracks. All right. Now, the funny thing about the train I rode is that it actually did go on tracks under the water. It went through the land under the water. Isn't that amazing? It was called the Eurostar train. Here's a big ship. So big, I don't think it can fly in the air. Let's make this line curvy too. The ship goes on the water. And of course it's called an airplane because it goes in the air. I wonder if you can draw a little plane in the air. Let's see. It has wings that go out like this. And it has a tail that goes out like this. And it has engines that help it stay up in the air. And these dots are all the windows for the people riding inside the plane. That was pretty easy. Oh, I forgot to write any letters for these. T for train, ship. If I want to write ship, I need 2 letters. I need S and H. Yeah? If I want to write boat, you know what I need, right? B. What letter says B? B for boat. It could be a boat or a ship. This is a plane, an airplane. P. I hear letter P. P for plane. T for train. SH for ship. P for plane. That was page 5. Ding. Ooh, here's our drawing practice step by step. This one only has 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it uses a rectangle with short, and long. Let's go. Let's practice our rectangle. Here we go. You know what it's going to be, right? A truck. All right. First, we're going to make 2 short ones down. Talk about what you're doing. Start on the green dot and down to the red arrow. Short. Yep. And now we do short again. Short. And now long. That makes a rectangle. Yep. All right, let me do it again. Short. Long. Now 2 circles. Start here and go around to the red arrow. Start on the green dot, go around to the red arrow. And now look, another little rectangle. Short, and then long. I think that's where the driver sits, right? All right, here we go. I'm going to make my big rectangle again. Short, long. Then put the wheels on, the circle wheels. I'm going to put the top rectangle on. This is the part, this goes down like this. And then here, what are these for? Parts of the truck? I don't know. And I guess this means the road. Start on the green dot and go across to the red arrow. Now the truck is driving on the road. I don't see anybody inside. I'll put a hat on the driver and its arms. And there's the steering wheel. And there's the driver's body. Vroom, vroom. Over here, you can follow the steps and draw the truck too. This one is pretty easy. What color will you make your truck? Green? Red? Rainbow color? Maybe. I don't know. Now we've got some counting to do on the last page. That was page 8. Ding! Page 9. Aha! Look at all the vehicles. A truck. This looks like a, station wagon. Car. Ooh, a motorbike. This is another station wagon? Is it a work truck? I don't know. I see some spaces are empty in the parking lot. Yeah, don't forget to talk about what you see. You could see how many yellow cars there are. 1, 2. Or you could talk about how many red cars there are. Or you could count all the cars. Are you ready? Let's put numbers on the parking spaces. How about that? Should we do that? Let's see. If this is number 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, there's 7 spaces on each side. Let's write numbers on each one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we'll number these too. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you remember how to write a 5? Back, down, around. 5, 6. And this one is number 7. So look, there's 7 spaces on each side, but they're not all full, are they? Yeah? This side has 1, 2, 3, 4 cars, and this side has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vehicles. How many is that altogether? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I wonder if you can make some math stories about this. Once upon a time in the parking lot, there were 4 cars on one side, 4, plus, put more in, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cars on the other side. How many cars were there altogether? Let's ask the question. How many cars are there all together? Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4 plus 5. Do you remember how we write it? Equals 2 straight lines. Equals 9. 9 goes around, up, and straight down. 9 cars in the parking lot. I can count 9 vehicles. You talk and play with your family and see if you can make another story. Maybe it will be about red cars and yellow cars. Once upon a time, there were 2 yellow cars in the parking lot, plus 2 red cars in the parking lot. How many red and yellow cars were there altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4. We all know 2 plus 2 equals 4, right? It was fun working with you, pandas. I miss you so much. I hope you're having a great summer, and I hope you're learning and having fun and staying ready for kindergarten. See you next time.